In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the acceleration activity. For this activity, you will use Python to allow you to change the Trashbot speed with its buttons. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather a computer, a Trashbot, 4 axles, 2 pucks, 2 rubber bands, and a micro USB. Step 2. Build. Connect the pucks to the Trashbot's motors using the axles, creating 2 wheels. For more traction, wrap a rubber band around each wheel. Step 3. Code. Code a program that increases the speed of the Trashbot's motors every time button A is pressed and decreases the speed for button B. Use increments of 25. Step 4. Test. Test out your code. Are there any problems? What happens if you press a button too many times, causing the speed to go over 100 or under -100? Step 5. Refine. Brainstorm ideas to fix any errors in your program. If there's anything you'd like to change, put those ideas into code. Step 6. Test again. With your new code, run the same test as you did in Step 4 and evaluate. Did your program become better or worse? How so? Step 7. Reflect. What challenges did you have in this activity and how did you overcome them? After more testing, are there any changes you can make to further improve your program? For more projects, visit trashbots.co/lessons.